So over here you can see that I have 4 images right here. And if I want to show a relation between these images, then what I can do is I can link them out. So over here on the left side, if I were to click on an image, you can see that from the right hand side, you got this little dot right here, which I can click and drag and then attach it out to a picture. I can attach it to a center right here to attach it to the center over here. And you can see that these pictures are linked and it is denoted by this arrow right here. Let me just select this arrow, click and drag this out and attach it out over here on one end right here, and it gets attached right here. Or you can click and drag this out. So let me just click right here. So this is what you have, as you can see, and you can go around. Let me just select this arrow, attach it out here, and this is what you have, as you can see right here. You can also, like, let's say, bring out multiple arrows right here. So if I were to go around right here, over here from the left hand side, you can see I can click and drag to attach out arrows over here as well. So you can simply select it out and delete that out as well. So let's go around over here, attach out one arrow right here, attach out one arrow right here, then attach out one arrow right here, and you can see that all of them are now linked together right here. You can also select out an arrow right here, and on the right side you can go around and see the arrow options, where you can set the arrow start option right here. So you can set the shape and you can go around and choose the end as well. You can also increase and decrease the transparency level right here, and you can go around into line and select out, let's say for example, red or green, just like this, as you can see right here. You can also go around over here and select out different line types right here according to how you like, and you can go around and then use the arrow keys right here to increase and decrease the number over here of the arrows, as you can see as well. What you can also do is select out an arrow right here, and you can go around, and then what you can do is you can arrange out its layers right here, the position. So you can send it back right here so that it actually goes back, or bring it to the front right here as well. So you can go around and do the same thing for the other arrows as well. You can go around and set around the settings according to how you want. So you can go around, set the end point right here, set the start point, and so forth according to how you like. If I were to select an arrow and click on reset to palette default, then what happens is that the color gets set to default, as you can see right here. So similarly, you can go around, set out like, let's say for example, these arrows right here. You can go around and let's say for example, shift select out these arrows and then change around the arrow type. And also change around the line type right here, just like this, work around with the transparency and so forth as well, as you can see. And that is how you can link out images by using the line arrows inside of Prezi Design. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.